everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I wanted to sort of do a two-in-one video where I share with you some of my new home decor pieces and actually kind of give you a tour of where they're at in our house, both a haul and a tour. I never did a specific spring decor video because not much of my decor has changed since my last decor tour I did in February. I do have a few new things that I'd love to show you, and I want to show you the few things that I have switched around a little bit. So this new pillow I actually purchased from the DIY mommy herself. She has her own pillow line now, and this one I just loved the aqua sort of tartan crisscross look to it, and it's just the cover, and I like that it came in this small size because I've been looking for a pillow that's still substantial enough to make sense sitting here, but that doesn't cover up all the pretty tufting on this chair. And so when I saw this design, I knew I had to have it, plus I love to support other moms and their businesses. So Christina's pillow line, I will have it linked for you guys. I'm not at all affiliated with her, but I just know that you guys will love it too, so I'll link that down below. So here's another little change I made over here. I'm in the corner by our TV and our window, and I used to just have this blank because I like being able to just completely pull my curtains over and not worry about covering up decor. However, on a whim one day, I just ripped out our blinds because they just drive me crazy. I hate cleaning them. They were breaking. I just don't like them. So I pulled them out, and so now at night, if we want privacy, we have to close the curtains. And so these spots were just blank. So I decided to put this star. I actually made this. I made it out of the same wood that I made the frame out of that's above our dining table. It used to be a garden trellis, and after a windstorm, the wood had completely broken up into pieces, and so I salvaged some of the wood to make stuff out of because I thought that it was really weather worn and cool. So I made this star. I just literally glued the pieces together and added twine around the top to hang it, and so that's there. And when the curtain is closed, you can see all of it there. So I put that there. So here's the frame that I made that with the same wood right there. But this piece my friend made, and it used to be this dark color, and my table is a dark color, so I went ahead and whitewashed it to make it kind of contrast with this piece, and I bought this at our kids' school fundraiser. They were the centerpieces, and there were like some copper vases in it, but I took the copper vases out and put my milk glass in because that's definitely more my vibe. Anyway, I just thought it was really pretty, and I love that my friend made it. Over here by this sink, I have these set of 3 bowls, and they are pink, sort of like a dark teal green, and then this pretty soft blue. And I got these in a care package from Melissa Michaels when I was part of her book launch team, and I just love them. They are the perfect size for a little snack, so I use them, and they're also really pretty. Over here in the kitchen, I have this really cool like weekly calendar that I got from Personal Planner. When I did my giveaway for you guys, I didn't know this, but they also gave me a gift. After I made the video, they're like, hey, would you like to pick something out? And I was like, oh, that's so nice. I didn't know you were gonna do that. So one of you guys won a Personal Planner, and then they gave this wall calendar to me, which I thought was super great. So we're really appreciating having a place to put all the things that are happening in our family. I just put like the family oriented things up here and, you know, keep my Personal Planner personal, but I picked the design that has little hedgehogs on the top. I thought that was pretty cute. So another little change that I made is I put my great-grandmother's platters in this wooden box that my dad made for me. You guys may remember this was on my table at Christmas time. I loved having a place to prop these up so I know they're not gonna fall over. I've got mason jars in front and behind them so that they are really sturdy, and I also put some like cushion underneath. So I don't have to worry about them falling over, and I can see them. They're so pretty, and they're still accessible if I want to use them if I'm hosting or something. So I'm really happy with that. So here's kind of a look at my shelves right now. So probably the biggest piece of decor that I purchased is actually this headboard. This is this really lovely like navy linen, and it's tufted, but it doesn't have buttons, which I'm quite happy about. It's from Amazon. This was just part of the steps that we're taking to make our bedroom more a bedroom for us. We've lived in this house for 5 years now, and we've yet to do anything really in this room as far as style. So we also ordered some paint swatches, which I'll show you. So Behr was recently having a sale where they had their little test pots on sale for 99 cents each. And I ordered 4 of them in colors that I had seen online and thought were pretty in other people's homes. So like this one is Seagull Gray, which Melissa Michaels used in her bedroom redo that she did. And these 3 were ones I had seen on Pinterest. So I painted them on the wall in a couple different spots. I don't know if you guys can see, but I painted them in a couple different spots and checked it different times of the day to see which color I like best. And my husband and I both really like this one. This one's Silver Shadow. So when the time and energy are there, because we just got over the flu, we are going to paint our bedroom this color right here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the things that I've picked up recently and the different things that I'm trying and the little tweaks that I've made to my home decor. If you love stuff like this, if this is totally your jam, I hope you will subscribe, because I have a lot of projects planned for spring and summer to spruce up my home, my bedroom and the playroom, and just all sorts of little places in my house that I'm excited to tackle now that the weather is warming up and we are over and done with the flu. Praise the Lord for that. So you guys take care. I will be back with more soon. Bye.